Hi YouTube! Welcome back. It's me, Marshie. Actually, it's been a while since we watched Daily Dose of Internet. Let's watch it. Instead of pet videos, we'll watch some crazy nature videos, okay? It's so weird, chat, to see my model in a non-police outfit. That's what my model looks like, by the way.
These are the most unbelievable nature videos ever.
I
spent the last few weeks looking across the internet for the most unbelievable nature videos that I could find. I looked for videos on YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, and put all the best ones in one video right here. So I hope you enjoy.
What is that? Lava? Bro, I would be cheering. I'm moving out.
Bro, this? Are you kidding me right now?
That's an EF5.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit, run. Run! Oh my god, these people have no... Oh my god!
Oh, no!
They're moving so slow, Dad!
Someone found a crazy cube-shaped cloud in the UK.
Oh. I want to eat that. That looks like marshmallow.
Yeah, it did.
Man, you see?
Yeah, you see them there? We're getting really close now.
Fireworks?
Oh.
This is what it looks like when an iceberg flips over.
Oh shit.
This super strange event happened in India, where the ground started suddenly rising up. It's thought to have happened due to heavy rainfall creating pressure in the ground.
That cannot be real. What?
The fog clears out so fast as soon as they get to the other side of this mountain.
That looks like Silent Hill. Legit. We're in Silent Hill right now.
What's what?
Oh, wow. Clear sky.
Oh, I missed it!
This is the most intense hail I've ever seen.
Ouch. Ouch. That's violent. Holy shit.
This is a really cool phenomenon where the ice on frozen lakes can make crazy noises as it thaws.
What? There's no way. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. Like Star Wars, man.
This is called a sundog, but it's a very rare type of sundog because it is so low to the ground. The light reflecting off falling snow made what looks like a portal to another dimension.
Let's enter it. Ah! Let's get isekai.
This giant river of lava totally shut down this road in Hawaii.
Dude, is Hawaii okay? I won't be that calm standing.
This guy pulled his car out of his house just for his house to be destroyed seconds later.
Wow, this man's lucky. Whoa! Where is this? Russia, okay. Holy shit. Oh, he's lucky. Kentucky. Right. Interesting.
This diver found an underwater portal to another world.
That is so pretty. Enter it. Let us see. Oh, Florida. I'm surprised. Go through it.
This person was out sailing near the Pacific Ocean when suddenly their boat was surrounded by rocks. These floating rocks turned out to be pumice as a result of an underwater volcanic eruption.
I've seen this in the movie. I don't like it. This is a horror movie. Nope. It feels so weird.
What the hell is that?
This is a phenomenon known as a crown flash. A crown flash occurs when electrical charges cause ice crystals to suddenly shift.
No, legit. Some of this makes you think, if you tell this to someone, they either think you're watching AI or you're high. Seriously.
I
I would run. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my God. Run, man. What are you
Back
doing?
in 2011, the Japanese Coast Guard captured the moment that they went over a giant tsunami.
Tsunami, that's right. Scary.
These trees were completely swallowed up by a huge sinkhole.
Freeze fall. Going all in.
No, thank you. Nope. You're sinking the entire tree.
This is the Cave of Death in Costa Rica. The carbon dioxide levels are so high that they immediately...
Yeah, it's called the Cave of Death. Let's go there and standing next to it and potentially go inside the Cave of Death. It's called the Cave of Death for a reason, my dude.
Extinguish any flame that comes inside.
Poison gas cave. Don't push me into it.
The wind blowing the sand looks like something from a movie.
That looks cool. Dangerous but cool. Looks like they're actually moving, like they're skating. That's so interesting.
These tourists at Yellowstone National Park witnessed a huge hypothermal explosion.
Oh my God, run people, run! Run, guys! Oh my God.
These people in Norway captured the most incredible Aurora Borealis.
That's so pretty. Wow. Holy shit. What a view. What a view.
Wow.
Imagine taking an edible and looking at this, chat.
This guy found a really low rainbow.
That's pretty.
This giant rain bomb dropped millions of liters of water over Nevada within just a few seconds.
What the fuck? Nevada, are you okay? Okay, another one. EF3, another one. South Dakota, okay. EF2, chat, EF2.
These people saw something huge moving in the water in Norway.
It must be a big whale. Yeah? A whale? What is that? Maybe? Shark? I don't know. Shark?
The California wildfires in 2017 created this crazy visual of people driving to work in the morning.
Yeah, chat. Imagine driving through this to go to work. I don't know if I want to go through this. Really. It's like going towards hell. I mean, that is work.
These bugs were spotted creating swarms directly over the road markings.
I'll call out, yeah. So many bugs.
These are called Kelvin-Helmholtz clouds, and they occur when a difference in wind speed and direction pushes clouds into these wave-like shapes.
Did that tree move on its own?
You're hoping?
What?
This crazy halo cloud was spotted in Japan.
Is that tree That is weird.
This crazy halo cloud was spotted in Japan.
Take me.
This tornado decided to spawn its own baby tornado.
Oh, look at that baby tornado, chat. Looks like a shoe. That's kind of cute. That's not cute. What is this? Australia got this shit too? Oh God. I didn't know Australia has sandstorm. Oh my god.
This crazy cloud.
That's a cool shape though.
Such a crazy cloud.
Yeah.
These people captured the moment a lightning strike caused the whole city's power to go out.
Lola, did you get it? Oh, wow.
That's powerful.
This guy in New York found an upside-down rainbow.
That's cute. Upside down rainbow.
It's getting bigger.
Most of Australia is inhabitable. I don't know. I mean, Australia is pretty cool, okay? Like, I've seen a bunch of people move to Australia. The housing cost is not better, but insurance-wise and worker rights are better, you know? So...
Like every 20 seconds it grows.
This is called a green flash, and it's a very rare moment when the sun creates a burst of green light during sunset. This can only happen when atmospheric conditions are absolutely perfect.
Dude. I would move to Australia if I get sponsored. What is that? Oh. This is... Isn't that just like welcome or something? Why is this guy covering in it? Why is he covering? Like, it's dirty, right? Like, isn't it dirty? It's not clean. Why are you being covered? Like, yeah, it smells and it's seafoam. Like, why are we? This guy is literally like showering with it. So gross. Look, he's covering himself in it. I think. I don't know. Oh, sperm, sorry. Not cum.
They were walking on the beach when the ice started coming after them.
This is moving slow.
This incredible starling migration was spotted in Wales.
Oh, that looks freaking cool. Damn. Rock sliding. Dude. You can't pass.
This photographer had to pull over to capture this incredible tornado.
Oh, tornado in Canada, chat. Oh, dark color tornado too.
These guys saw that their boat was being chased by killer whales.
Killer whale in California. Yup. Shit. Oh, dude.
This is how quickly an avalanche can move down a mountain.
Ooh. Yeah, you can't outrun that.
Oh god. Oh dear god.
Oh my god, run, my dude! Run! You're too close! Ah! Bro,
They were chopping down this dying tree when it started.
I thought he was standing somewhere far and then he used like zoomed in camera or whatever. He was literally in front of it. Dude!
They were chopping down this dying tree when it started gushing out water. This tree had a very specific type of internal rotting that allowed it to store water in an unusual way.
That's me after having Taco Bell, you're right. Legit.
The water level in this harbor completely changes throughout the day as the tides change.
Oh, that's interesting. Wow. Okay, that looks like you're taking an edible, okay? Imagine telling people that. Arizona? What is going on? Whoa!
For some reason, all the rain fell in this one area.
Oh, Texas.
These people witnessed a huge ice drift on this river in Russia.
Another day in Arizona. Nice.
Look at that!
Michigan.
Oh my god.
Oh, guys,
That is not safe.
We're gonna get some.
Holy!
Back it up!
Back it up! Right. Oh my god, back it up! What are we doing? Oh my god, we're so close.
This is a super rare type of lightning called a red sprite. They occur at a higher altitude to regular lightning, which is why it looks so unique.
Interesting. Oh. That's scary.
This person was traveling in the North Sea when they noticed that they were able to see day and night at the same time.
What? Huh? Wait, how? Wait. Do we have any sea, any ocean nerds in chat? What is going on here? Can we get some explanations in chat? How? How does it happen? Broke the simulation? Any seaman in chat? No seaman in chat. Man. Of course, my chat wouldn't have any seaman. Damn it. The angle. I know, but it's weird though. That's okay. No seaman in chat.
See day and night at the same time.
That is so trippy.
A tornado spawned right next to this erupting volcano.
I hope we're not standing here. Holy. Hawaii again! I've seen so many Hawaii and lava.
Не знаю, видно нет, эта фигня крутится. Смерч сраный, господи.
This super long roll cloud was spotted a few years ago in Virginia.
Interesting.
Nanagoyang memang.
Oh shit, something rising up! Ah! Exploded! What the fuck? What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is called a Parhelion illusion. A cloud will make it look like that there are 6 or 7 suns. These two videos were
Nevada.
recorded in Las Vegas and China, showing off the effect.
Oh, that's weird! Wow.
These huge waves were captured hitting this ferry back in 2022.
I will never take another ferry again! What is this, bro? You know, when I tell people I don't like to take a ferry to go to XYZ locations, and people say, I'm crazy, I'm gonna show them this footage right here to prove that I can't go to your fucking wedding that you hold. Like, I have to take a fucking ferry to attend your wedding. How about I just send you money instead? Yeah, let's not do this. Oh my god. Not a fan.
This
I'm not a fan
over
of sea.
Japan was so
I'm
bright
really
that it turned the night into day.
Oh, that's cool. I'm not a fan of any water or
These people found a glitch in the
oceans.
Matrix.
Oh, Texas. What is this? It looks like a seam being opened.
This iceberg floated right past this village in Greenland.
This guy
This person spotted a crazy light pillar in Virginia.
Xinyan again. That looks scary.
Mirrors, so the sunlight goes up and then beams it back down at us like little mirrors. So
Stop the sea foam! You've been covering dirty sea foam!
That is so good.
Yo, it's walking.
Where is he?
Whoa. Oh my god, fuck!
These people walking through a desert in China experience some extreme natural static electricity.
No, why would you go to the desert?
这
Oh
啥
my
现象？
god.
土
I
木
feel
塔泽
like...
沙漠啊，8月15日，
Oh
看这个现
no.
象。
So I guess fog bows are a thing, as this one was spotted in Kentucky a few
Zap.
years ago.
I know, right?
This is what it looks like when 64,000 turtles come in to nest on one island.
Hey, Australia! 64,000 turtles. Damn. Wow.
Whoa!
Yo, careful!
Whoa! Subanos! Subanos! Subanos!
This is what the shadow of a tree looks like during a solar eclipse.
That's creepy. Oh my god. That's a sensory nightmare! Looks like bugs or spider or something.
This is a perfect Fata Morgana, which is an illusion where it looks like boats off in the distance are floating in the air. It's basically a mirage that is happening on the ocean instead of the desert.
It's like an illusion. Yeah. Ohio. What's going on, Ohio, man?
This crazy storm was captured at an airport in China.
We're going home. I'm not flying in this condition.
In 2022, there was a volcanic eruption so huge that it could actually be seen from space.
This happened in 2022? Oh, we are so cooked. I did not know this.
That's rapid. Oh my god.
I had no idea that tornadoes could move this fast.
South Dakota. Is that an EF3 or 4, chat? Oh, that looks... Wow.
These strange clouds appeared in Spain
It's
right
purple.
after a huge flood, and no one really knows why.
Nunca había visto yo un cielo igual a
This looks like the worst ending. And I don't like that. At all. The ice is alive, bro. Oh yeah, the upside down, yeah. Like in Stranger Things. Australia again. What is it called?
Watch these walls. Oh my
Reflection.
god, bro.
What?
What?
These people got to
Oh my God,
witness
same
a
time,
full
same
solar
time.
eclipse from an airplane.
Oh, that's cool. Whoa. What the fuck? Whoa. Dude.
This is called a broken specter, and it's a rainbow that is created when the sun is directly behind someone during foggy conditions.
Get this. Look at that rainbow. That's so cool.
Very cool.
Wow.
These scientists flew their plane into the eye of the storm, and the wall is absolutely massive.
Oh my god. That looks so soft. I want to lay on it. I want to jump out of the
This
airplane
guy
and lay
found the
on
exact
it.
place where this underwater spring starts.
A glimpse of heaven. I like that. Where is this? Nebraska! Yo, Nebraska! Jesus. Yeah, okay. Bye-bye, building. Rip, building. Oh, it's ice! Oh, it's hailing, but there's rainbow as well. Colorado.
This person caught a super bright meteor on their dash cam.
Your warehouse demolished? Yeah, we're still gonna do come in. Your team needs you.
This is a super rare eclipse sunrise, which makes the
Canada.
sun look like devil horns rising up from the ocean.
Yo, it really does. Dude. Yo.
This person was walking through a park when they saw that this wave of cotton balls was on fire.
Oh. That looks like a simulation. There's no way. Wow.
This is called a moonbow, which is a rainbow created by moonlight instead of sunlight.
That's beautiful. I almost like moonbow better.
One of my subscribers was walking outside in
I've seen this
Canada
one.
when it was foggy
Pink!
during a sunset. As a result, everything turned pink.
It's perfect. It's for me. I support that. Kind of eerie, but really cool. Pink core. Yo! Faster! Drive faster!
A drone captured these curious whales checking out this boat.
Oh. Damn. The fuck? More rainbow. That does not look real. That looks so cool.
These pilots had to take out their phone to record this incredible St. Elmo's fire that showed up at their windows.
Who's gonna drive the plane? Just kidding, I know it's auto. Imagine you see the pilot just taking selfies and you're like, who the fuck is driving the plane, bro? It's okay, it's autopilot, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Finish that selfie. That's fine.
A few years ago, this meteor was spotted flying right over this concert in Portugal.
Yeah, imagine doing TikTok dance. Wow.
I'm just doing commentary on the video here, so
Oh, I've seen this tree before. It's on fire.
we're meant to have storms today, were we?
That looks so weird. Australia, man.
That is
Everything's
incredible.
burning over there.
This diver discovered a turtle that looks like it knows all the secrets of the universe.
Texas! This is a cool ass turtle, man. The wise turtle sama. Thousands of years old. He knows everything. Master. Dubin just chilling.
This pilot recorded a video of some super rare blue jet lightning.
Whoa. Dang.
A few years ago, this crazy rainbow cloud was spotted in China.
I love seeing rainbows like this, man. That is so cool.
This
I'm
village
glad
in
we was
Russia
recording
got completely
this.
covered in
Wow.
ash from a nearby volcano.
Ash!
Отряд выехал на проверку дороги.
Russia. What is this?
These divers experienced an earthquake while they were underwater.
That's scary. You can't. Oh my god, it's scary. Earthquake underwater. You can't hide. You can't do much.
This is called hair ice, and it's formed due to the chemicals
Hair
released
ice.
by certain types of fungi.
With a predicted high of about
That's
39
cool.
degrees
Is that
Fahrenheit
edible?
today, these delicate ice
kinda wanna eat
structures
it. I love
will be
ice.
disappearing here in just a few
Chewing
hours.
Nice, man.
Just put your finger on it
Ooh. They're really fluffy.
and see it melt away.
I kind of want to eat it.
The
You
wind
know?
was so strong that it pushes waterfall in an opposite direction.
Interesting. Hey, wrong way. You're spraying the wrong way.
This jack
Jack.
cloud rolled in and ruined their beach day.
camera, Shawnee. Back it up and go home.
This person spotted a perfectly straight rainbow.
A straight rainbow. Interesting concept. Interesting concept. Rainbow
These
PB.
people found a mud volcano in Malaysia.
I think we're way too close, man. We're gonna back it up a little bit here.
This is what it looks like to fly past a giant thunderstorm in a plane.
Yo.
That is the end of this video. My goal with this video
Very
wasn't
cool.
really
Holy
to
shit.
scare you or shock you, but rather fill you with awe and wonder to really appreciate just how immense
Nature,
and
man.
I guess beautiful nature really is.
Hell yeah.
And yeah,
Grand
so
Canyon.
hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you very, very soon. Later.
You know, I don't really go out a lot. I don't touch grass, so that was amazing.